Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I hope that you are fine with the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I was fine. Welcome to an IEVS home school. This is Mr. Robiul Islam, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies of National Ideal University School, morning shift. Today I am going to take an Islamic Studies class for class nursery, and our today's topic is FB, that means fill in the blanks from 1 to 5. And my dear students, today is our lecture number 21 and is W number 21. And my dear students, today is our revised class. Inshallah, my dear students, we have already learned filling the blanks from 1 to 10. My dear students, today we will learn again filling the blanks from 1 to 5 as our revised class. So my dear students, let's start. At first, look at the board. My dear students, here I have written, my dear students, here I have written 5 fill in the blanks. Okay, my dear students, let's start. Number 1, there are dash Arabic letters. There are dash Arabic letters. What will be the answer? Yes, you know that there are 29 Arabic letters. In this regard, the answer will be 29. Here, 29. My dear students, answer will be 29. There are 29 Arabic letters. Now, number 2, my dear students, this is a sign, my dear students. This sign is called what? This sign is called, yes, you know that this sign is called nukta. So answer will be here nukta. Now I am writing the answer nukta. Sorry, my dear students. N U K T A, nukta. Our answer will be nukta. This sign is called dash. Answer will be nukta. Now number 3, my dear students, nukta is look like a dash. Nukta is look like a dash. What will be the answer? Yes, my dear students, nukta is look like a point. So our answer will be point. Now, my dear students, I am writing the answer point. P O I N T, point. My dear students, nukta is look like a dash. Answer will be point. Now number 4, my dear students, dash letters are there with nukta. Dash letters are there with nukta. My dear students, what will be the answer here? Yes, we know that there are 15 letters are there with nukta. So in this regard, here answer will be 15. Now I am writing 15. 1 and 5. So my dear students, our answer will be 15. 15 letters are there with nukta. Now number 5, and this is last number today, my dear students, dash letters are there without nukta. Dash letters are there without nukta. What will be the answer here? Yes, my dear students, we know that there are 29 Arabic letters. So 15 letters are there with nukta and 14 letters are there without nukta. So here answer will be 14. Here answer will be 14. Now I am writing the answer 14. 1 and 4. So here answer will be 14 letters are there without nukta. Alhamdulillah, my dear students, today we have learned FB, that means filling the blanks from 1 to 5, and I hope that you have already memorized this filling the blanks. And my dear students, you will make SW at your home as SW number 21 FB from 1 to 5, 1 to 5, like this pattern. Okay, my dear students, that's all for today. Inshallah, see you again very soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.